How to manage blood sugar level with type 2 diabetes. Are you also struggling to find the right approach that helps manage your diabetes? My name is Megha Moore and I'm the co-founder of Possible, a nutrition-based healthcare company. Our company has helped over 50,000 people fight lifestyle diseases like diabetes and to lose weight with the help of food. We have a team of doctors, PhDs, and nutritionists who help with the right type of meal plan in order to overcome diabetes. Our members have seen a 20 to 30% decline in blood sugar levels over a 3 month period. We have also been awarded Times Healthcare Award for our innovative solutions in healthcare. Both my co-founder Vishnu Saraf and I have been awarded 101 Top Global Healthcare Leaders Award from World Health Congress. We've also authored 2 books on nutrition. Why am I telling you all this? Because we can help. Like we have helped thousands of others, you can start with a free health consultation. No need to pay anything and it will be done over phone at a time that you choose. Please trust me and book the consultation. It will be the start of a diabetes-free life that you've been dreaming of. Book it now.